Hello, everyone, and welcome to Take a Walk with Me, Doctor's Orders. And it was a nasty night overnight, windy and rainy. You could hear the rain. Uh, it's not raining right now, it's still windy. I think it's supposed to die down this afternoon, like 4 o'clock or something like that. So, it's 61 degrees though. The wind makes it feel a little cool, but the wind knocked off the blooms on the tulips over there, but I guess they were about gone anyway. Notice the birds have eaten a little bit of that food I put in there. About an inch missing from what I put in there. So yeah, it's windy, but it's not cold. It just makes it feel cool. So I got my coat on. Up a little bit. So you can see what kind of day it is. Birds don't seem too happy with it. I don't know why that water's running down his driveway. Huh. Sure is though. See the water running down there? Hope he doesn't have a water leak or something. That's unusual. I've never seen that happen over there. He wouldn't be washing his car inside of the garage either. But his door's open, so he must be aware of it, whatever it is. Wow. Where that's coming from. The yard looks great. Looks great. Now see, once you get it like this, the only thing is just to make sure you do it, the same amount of days or, as soon as it needs it. And it won't be, if you wait till it gets real high, it's going to take you longer to mow it and it's going to be harder on your equipment. Yeah, nasty. Flowers on. They were pretty flowers if I remember I can't remember exactly what they look like, but maybe now this is good and wet, my seeds will come up. I like these little rocks. I like this one here. It's like a fish. Isn't that what it is? It's a fish. Because we had these, I think, in an aquarium we had one time. Came out here to clean it and all this. There's another one. Isn't that cute? Got different colors in it. And then there's ones like that. You'd think you'd hit I found some gems. Fishy. I didn't realize that those have been laying there for years. I didn't realize those were fish. Fish rocks. I walked quite a bit yesterday. Calves are sore, but my thighs don't feel as bad as they did. What you gotta do is, when you get up in the morning, if they're feeling, I guess they tighten up overnight or whatever, but hurt me in the morning, that's one reason I like to walk in the morning. It seems like it wears it off. I mean, it doesn't hurt after I walk. Loosens it up, I guess. Oh man, that water's coming down. That can't just be from the rain, I wouldn't think. Because it looks like it's coming from his garage area. He's not out there or anything. Unless he must be inside. It just looks like an awful lot of water. It can't just be water from rain, or it'd be in this gutter thing here. I mean, the ditch or whatever. Calms down a little bit today. Dove. Okay, you want to walk with me? It's not bad where you are today. Well, everyone, have a great day. I don't know what I'll get into the rest of the day. Not gonna be doing much out here, I can tell you that. Piece of wood. I don't know where that came from. Everybody, please press that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you later on doing something or other. God bless. Bye-bye.